You will hear a talk about the slow food movement. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. Now, listen and answer questions 1 to 5.
Good morning. Today I'll be talking about the slow food movement. Let's start with the basics. What is the slow food movement? Well, it's a global movement that promotes good, clean, and fair food. It's all about taking the time to enjoy our meals, appreciating where our food comes from, and better choices for our health and the environment. The slow food movement began in Italy in the late 1980s as a reaction to the rise of fast food culture. People realized that they were missing out on the joys of traditional and local cooking. They wanted to re-establish the connection between food and community, so the slow food movement was born. Now let's talk about the values of slow food. There are 3 main ones: good, clean, and fair. Good food means delicious and healthy food. It encourages us to choose fresh, seasonal ingredients and enjoy the flavors. Good food is also about having fun preparing and eating meals with family and friends. Clean food refers to food that is produced with respect for the environment and with care for animals. It also supports green farming practices. This means reducing harmful chemicals and protecting our planet for future generations. Fair food means that everyone working as part of the food chain should be treated respectfully. It also fights for fair salaries and working conditions for farmers, producers, and food industry workers. Fair food is about creating a more equal food system where everyone benefits.
You will hear the second part of a talk about the slow food movement. You have some time to look at questions 6 to 10. Now, listen and answer questions 6 to 10.
So, why should we become involved in the slow food movement? Well, there are many benefits. Let's explore a few. Firstly, slow food encourages us to choose fresh, whole foods which are better for our bodies. It helps us avoid processed and unhealthy fast food options that can harm our health in the long run. Secondly, slow food helps protect the environment by supporting green farming practices. It reduces pollution, supports the local environment, and promotes responsible resource management. We all want a cleaner and greener planet, don't we? Thirdly, the slow food movement brings people together. It enables stronger connections with our communities as we share meals and celebrate our local food traditions. It's about creating meaningful relationships and preserving culture. Now that you know the basics, you might be wondering how you can join the slow food movement. Well, it's easier than you think. Start by cooking more meals at home. Try out new recipes using fresh ingredients and involve your family and friends in the cooking experience. It's a great way to bond and enjoy the pleasures of slow cooking. Moreover, whenever possible, support local farmers and producers. Visit farmers markets, buy directly from local farms, and choose products made in your region. By doing so, you're not only getting fresh and delicious food, but you're also supporting your local economy. Finally, spread the word about the slow food movement. Share your experiences, recipes, and the importance of good, clean, and fair food with others. To sum up, remember that the slow food movement is all about taking a moment to appreciate the joy of food and its beneficial impact on our well-being. Thank you.